Annapolis home prices increased overall 1.6% year to date to a median $650,000, with the biggest price increase in zip code 21401. It's Friday, July 17th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Zip code 21401 has 109 properties for sale at a median list price of $1,050,000, and these have been offered for sale for 63 days. 8 properties went under contract this report at $572,000 median list price and in 8 days. Zip code 21403 has 103 properties for sale at 56 days offered and a list price of $615,000. There were 14 new contracts that had been on the market for 9 days and at a median list price of $599,450 before the sellers received a contract. Zip code 21409 has 49 properties listed for sale at a median $700,000, and these have been active for 58 days. 6 went under contract since the last report and at a median list price of $585,000 and in 6 median days. Overall, Annapolis inventory has risen again this week to 259 properties for sale at a median $775,000. These have been offered for sale for 59 median days. Rental properties in Annapolis rose slightly to 51 rentals offered at $3,000 median dollars per month. 7 properties leased over the past week at a median lease rate of $3,025 per month and in 23 days. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for July 17th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay cool, and I'll see you next week. Take care.